it's funny, people will make hamburgers at home all the time, no problem.
For sure.
But ask them to make a pizza, and they get intimidated. Well, let me tell you, great pizza begins at home. This is a recipe that I think is really a standard, an essential, something that you want in your culinary quiver. Let's get our dough on. I mean, it's nothing but, let's see, flour, yeast, salt, water, little olive oil, and, oh, a secret ingredient, malted barley syrup. Easy to find, don't worry about it. Okay. Brush the dough with olive oil, okay, once it's rolled out, and then throw it on a medium grill. Oil side down, not too hot, not too cold. You don't want to burn it, but you also don't want it to just sit there and be doughy. On one side, line up those tomatoes. 2 minutes later, you'll be ready to flip that dough over. But first, a little bit of oil on the A side, so to speak, which will now go down. So now you're ready to top. Scoop up the tomatoes, and they will be gushy, and just mash them down. This is from the original kind of margarita-style pizza from Naples. 1/2 ounce of Parmesan cheese grated, 1.5 ounces of mozzarella, and 4 to 6 large basil leaves shredded. 2 more minutes, and look at that. So that's your basic pizza, right? But let's have a little fun with it, shall we? My personal favorite combo is Parmesan, a little fresh mozzarella, prosciutto, dates on pizza. Sounds a little odd, but trust me, they're delicious. And you never have to worry about having a date for pizza. Never mind. And look at that. You've got my favorite pizza on earth. Nice and crisp, a little burned around the edges. I like that. Salty, sweet, nice. Cut, consume. As far as I'm concerned, this is one of the best things I've ever made, and I hope it'll become one of yours.